A body of weight 72 Newton moves from the surface of the earth at a height half of the radius of the earth. Then gravitational force exerted on it will be. So normally we know the force of gravitation on the earth's surface, capital G, capital M, small m by radius of the earth whole square. If it is reached to half of the radius of the earth, the formula become capital G, capital M, small m by Re plus Re by 2. Then that will become 4 by 9 into surface, force on the surface of the earth. Now F R E by 2 force, that is the gravitational force. So 4 by 9 into, so here we know the how much weight, 72, that is the force. Now the answer is 32 Newton. So here is the 32 Newton, answer B. So if you like this content, do like, share and subscribe to Student the Brand. Thank you.